In this episode of Unity Quick Tips, I'm going to run you through how to access and use TextMesh Pro in Unity at runtime and change it with code. Okay, we have our TextMesh Pro element here, simple stuff. So we want to set something up so we can change this in code. So you might have something simple currently set up like this using the regular Unity UI with just a regular text field. But when you come over to Unity, you grab your regular TextMesh Pro and you try and dump it into this text field, we can see that it's not going to work. So what you need to do instead is add a using TextMesh Pro. Then you can come over here and change this text to a TextMesh Pro UGUI. And no, I don't know what it stands for either. Now though, you can see that you can drag this in just perfectly, and just like any other text field, you can come in on the awake and you can access its text field, set it to, there we go, and edit the text just like any other text field, even though it's a TextMesh Pro, which you can add all the other settings on the side here in the inspector. And just like that, it works. Thanks for watching, hope this helped, and as always, happy coding.